Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraini binti Hussein. Today I will explain about the introduction of Escape Penang Park. Sim Shu Heng is the founder of the Escape Penang Park. Escape was inspired by Sim's mischievous childhood in a kampung near the rainforest, which include climbing trees, launching friends into the air with tree branch, diving from a treetop into a pond, and racing downhill on a makeshift bicycle. Sim had flashback to his childhood mischief when he saw how the village kid and adult play in the same way he did when he was younger. Sim recalled his childhood memories and refined them for an escape. Positioning is an alternative to traditional mechanical theme park. As Sim Leisure expand into new international market, the company promoted this new concept to many clients, but they all reject it. It was until 29 when Penang's newly installed administration called for an open tender of a 44-acre construction wasteland in Teluk Bahang in order to boost the island tourism industry that the project was launched. In November 2030, Adventure Play finally opened its door to the public. The park eventually finished the entire original design in 2019, which would have taken another 2 years otherwise. At Escape, safety is at the heart of everything we do. At Escape, we only use the highest quality safety equipment, but we incorporate it in such a way that the impact and inconvenience to the visitor is minimized. The attraction at Escape have been designed to meet the installation guideline of the Association for Challenge Course Technology (ACCT).
A development plan is a document that details the concept overall strategy for proper planning and long-term development of an area, such as staff member goals, required skill and competency development, and also objective in order to support continuous improvement. Escape Theme Park is located on Jalan Teluk Bahang in the northwest of Penang Island, opposite and adjacent to the Penang Butterfly Farm, and is a short scenic and coastal drive from Batu Ferringhi. Escape Park, also known as the upcoming eco-friendly theme park, located in Teluk Bahang, Penang. This theme park sprawls over a 7-acre tract of secondary forest. It comprises 3 portions, which are the dry park called Adventure Play, the water park called Water Play, and the last world's longest tube water slide called Gravity Play. Existing land used for Escape Park Penang is natural environment that has spread across 44 acres of land. A true fun destination with existing rides and games in a natural environment. The theme park offers 2 existing sections, which are water park and adventure courses for thrill seekers. The notion of escape is derived from childhood activities and their incorporation into the present society. Over 38 attractions ranging from sorting to exhilarating activities such as zip lines, water slides, and more. The 29-acre park includes adventure play, water play, and gravity play. The park also has the world's longest tube slide, as documented by the official Guinness World Record. Enjoy a modern park setting against the gorgeous natural surroundings of Malaysia. Other than that, Escape provides the visitor with an opportunity to escape into an enjoyable and refreshing family experience worthy.
My name is Nur Alisha Nadia binti Muhammad Khari. My matric number is #201604. I will continue this presentation. Next, planning process. The planning process is the process used to develop objective, develop tasks to meet objective, determine required resources, create timelines, determine tracking and evaluation, finalize plan, and distribute plan to teams. This process can be used by large organizations, management teams, or individual staff to develop and complete plans. The Penang State Government is one of the tiers of governmental entities participating in the creation of Escape Penang. When the Penang State Government instead to construct a tourism attraction center for Penang, his goals of building Escape Penang eventually came true. He was awarded the contract in 29 to erect Escape on the Penang site of the former Teluk Bahang Dam Project Office. According to reports, The project developers state that an environmental impact assessment (EIA) study was not necessary because the Penang Department of Environment has deemed the project to be environmentally friendly. Even though an EIA is not required under the EIA order, it is warranted in light of the proposed theme park proximity to 3 environmentally sensitive areas and water catchment. The EIA is required so that the general public may decide for themselves if the project will have an impact on the environment and water resources. Sim's job inside the company is now partially operational and partially strategic after leading the concept and design of Phase 1 of the park. Sim works a whole day at the park every day, enjoying himself with the visitor while sporting his Chief Escape Officer badge. A planning principle is a declaration of an ideal outcome from a series of steps taken to arrive at or a least pertinent factors to be taken into account when making a plan choice. The chief executive of the organization must commit to the discipline of planning, show a sincere interest in it, and motivate his staff to follow it. For example, Mr. Sim Chu, who is the chief executive of Escape Penang, has shown his interest in theme parks since childhood. Because of this, Escape Penang was born. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Given the proposed theme park proximity to 3 environmentally sensitive areas and water catchment, every effort was made, as with all other attractions in Escape Penang, to repurpose existing infrastructure while preserving the park natural environment. In addition to traffic congestion in this part of the island, building more roads or widening existing roads will add to the already deteriorating environment. To reduce environmental degradation in Penang, more effective mechanisms for planning, monitoring, and controlling development are required. Penang has drawn millions of visitors, demonstrate that the island will remain a popular tourist destination for many years to come, as evidenced by the millions of visitors who have visited this park. Escape Penang has been and will continue to be a tourist magnet for visitors for decades to come. Escape Penang Park could be Penang's most popular tourist attraction. Its establishment has the potential to attract more domestic and foreign tourists. With its uniqueness and variety of games, it can help promote the tourism industry, particularly in Penang. Escape Penang Park can assist local residents, particularly those who are unemployed. Resources ensure that nothing went to waste and help to foster kinship. This was how our forefathers lived within their means without relying on outside resources. Other than that, the way local residents dress may change as a result of the influence of foreign tourists who come to travel. They bring their own style, which may be familiar, but it is new here. The same here applies to food. It could be due to the factor of attracting more tourists from outside the local population to eat different dishes from local food, combining the taste of tourists.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatin Aisyah Hanani binti Obed and my metric number is H20A1144. I am going to make a conclusion about our topic. As a conclusion, we can see that development of Escape Penang face an environmental problem. So, the green initiative is one of the solutions that we can implement in development of Escape Penang Park. So, in the future, the new generation still can enjoy the sustainability of environmental while the development still increase in our country. That's all from me. Thank you.